Everyone knows about Petra and the Dead Sea, but have you heard about the only coastal city in Jordan that's about to revolutionize the country? A city where you can see 4 different countries from one spot, including Jordan, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, and Palestine. Home to the world's 6th tallest flagpole and crystal clear beaches. Welcome to Aqaba, Jordan. So that's it for Jamal Room Camp in Wadi Rum. Beautiful place to stay, literally in the desert, right next to the mountain. You got cams, they got bubble cam, bubble tents, and inside you got, this is the main area. Breakfast. Bye. Shukran. And back at the car, and we're off to Aqaba. Alrighty, Aqaba?
Yes, Aqaba.
Aqaba? Alright, let's get to Aqaba. Bismillah. With a population of over 148,000, residents spread across its 375 square kilometers, Aqaba isn't just any city. It's a bustling hub of trade and tourism that's shaping the Jordanian economy. Nestled on the southern tip of Jordan, about 4 hours from the capital Amman, Aqaba boasts a prime location on the north shores of the Red Sea, also known as the Gulf of Aqaba. Apart from its stunning views, sandy beaches, and crystal clear waters, it's a dynamic city that's driving Jordan's economic growth forward, from bustling markets to thriving tourism hotspots. So this is Al Ghandour Beach. It's really nice. Lots of glass boats, huts, palm trees, sand, ships. You got 3 different countries you can take a look at. And everybody's just kicking up. The weather is beautiful. Nice. Look at this boat. This is an interesting looking boat. So over there is Egypt. Over there is Israel. And over here is Jordan. One spot. And then Saudi is down the Red Sea. This is, look how clear the water is. Holy. Let's go for a drive. This is the glass boat. Ship. Oh, he's cleaning it.
Thank you, Mr. Light.
Hi. Nestled at the crossroads of Asia, Africa, and Europe, Aqaba's history is a tapestry woven with threads of ancient civilizations and vibrant cultures. From its earliest days as Elot in biblical times to its Roman and Islamic eras as Ayla, and even its Greek name, Bernice, Aqaba was born witness to the ebb and flow of countless dynasties. Dating back to the 4000 BC, Aqaba's strategic location at the junction of trade routes between Asia, Africa, and Europe made it a magnet for human habitation and commerce. The Edomites, Babylonians, and Persians all recognized its potential, establishing ports and fortifications to harness its economic power. Under Roman rule, Aqaba flourished as a vital trading hub, with the Via Traiana Nova linking it to distant lands. But it was the Islamic conquest in the 7th century that truly transformed Aqaba. As the Islamic era dawned, Aqaba's strategic location continued to play a pivotal role in the region's trade and commerce. In the 7th century, Islamic armies under the Rashidun Caliphate conquered the city, marking a significant shift in its trajectory. Under Islamic rule, Aqaba became an essential waypoint for pilgrims en route to Mecca, solidifying its position as a vital trading post. During the reign of the Umayyad Caliphate, Aqaba experienced a period of prosperity and cultural flourishing. The city's strategic location on the trade routes between the Mediterranean Sea and the Arabian Peninsula ensured its continued importance. It became a melting pot of cultures, with influences from the Islamic world converging in its bustling markets and streets. Under the Abbasids and later the Fatimid Caliphate, Aqaba retained its significance as a thriving trading hub. Merchants from distant lands traversed its streets, exchanging goods, ideas, and cultures. The Crusaders brought a new chapter of Aqaba's history. In the 12th century, the city fell to the hands of the Crusaders, who fortified it as part of their defensive network in the region. However, their rule was short-lived as the forces of Salah ad-Din al-Ayyubi reclaimed the city for Islam, marking the end of the Crusader dominance in the area. Over the centuries, it passed through the hands of various powers from the Mamluks to the Ottoman Empire, each leaving its mark on the city's landscape. During World War I, Aqaba found itself at the center of a pivotal battle as Ottoman forces clashed with Arab rebels led by T.E. Lawrence, Aouda Abu Tayyi, and Sheriff Nasser. The city's liberation marked a turning point in the conflict, paving the way for its eventual incorporation into the Kingdom of Hijaz in 1918. But the shifting sands of geopolitics were far from over. In 1925, Ibn Saud annexed the Hijaz, but Aqaba and Ma'an found themselves under the British protection as part of Transjordan. Fast forward to 1960s, and Aqaba once again found itself at the center of a historic exchange. In a bold move, King Hussein traded desert land for prime coastal line, expanding the city's border and adding the breathtaking Yamania coral reef to Jordan's treasures. You're just walking along, a lot of ships. It's like Hawaii, you know? Blue water, palm trees. Amazing. Inshallah, I'll find you somewhere.
Hope so.
Find you at another hostel somewhere.
Again.
Inshallah, brother. Inshallah. Man, Ihtisham. Drop him off at the taxi.
Thank you, brother. Thank you so much.
There. See you later, inshallah.
Have a safe journey here. Goodbye.
Thanks for everything, brother.
Thank you. Thank you for everything.
So much. And off he goes. Take care, broski. Haha, salam. That's it. Just like that. Just like that.